ball. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make the origami Donald Trump. For this design, I used an orange piece of paper and then used a spray adhesive that you can get at most places and sprayed it on the white side and then put on a yellow tissue paper. There are a lot of great videos on YouTube on how to do this. Just look up how to make double-sided origami paper and you'll find plenty of great videos. But today we're just going to be using a 6-inch square piece of orange paper, white on one side and orange on the other. So start with the white side up and make some horizontal folds. Turn the paper over and make some diagonal folds. Okay, now using the folds you just made, you should be able to collapse the paper and make a square base, just like this. Okay, now take the closed end of the paper here and turn it to the bottom, and on the left side take this part here and we're going to fold it down. This is a slightly arbitrary fold. You want this part to be roughly parallel with the middle crease. About like that. Now take this top part and fold it from this edge here to about here. It's again a little bit arbitrary. It's a little more than that. Now take this paper and we're going to fold it over to where this point, it meets this point, and this point rises up. Yeah, we're going to have to fold this a little bit more. Take this paper and about like that. See where that point meets the white line here? Okay. Now take this point here and we're going to fold it over. But we're going to open it up as we do so. and just to your liking, fold it how you want. This is the ear, so something like that. Okay, now take this point to the mid part and fold it over. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to take the paper and we're going to fold it over right at here, and we're going to keep it parallel with this crease roughly. So try and like that. Then take this point here and fold it back, making a mountain fold, and we're going to fold it about roughly like that. You want to keep it flat. Okay, now fold this right along this line here. And then we're going to reverse fold that. So, tuck it in here. Just like that. Okay, and then take this point here, and we're going to curl it over as far as it will go. We're trying to make the point to Trump's hair. So just whatever to your liking. Like that. Now take this point and fold it back right to about here. Okay, now we're going to flip paper over and we're going to work on this part here. So pull back this top layer and you can lightly crease it here for the moment if you want. So just take this part and we're just going to fold this over, and then we're going to take the point and we're going to try and make a nose. So you just want it to be sticking out like that. About like that. Give it a good crease. Okay. Now the next step is we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it from right here all the way to about there. Okay, and now we're going to pull this back and we're going to take this paper and then we're going to collapse it as you refold that down. Okay, and then next step is we're going to take this paper again and we're going to carefully fold it, get it close like that. And then we're going to fold it back down and then as the final shaping we're just going to pinch this top part just a little bit and curl it back. like that. Okay? This could be a little... Okay, so I'll just quickly reverse that just a little bit so you get to see that you fold the paper down, you fold it back like that, then you collapse this to make it more pointy, then you fold this paper over and then over again, and then you just shape the paper a little bit. Okay, and the model is done. As you can see, we were able to get his hair just like Trump's. We were even able to get an ear, we got a nose, and we got his lips. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please remember to click on the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with a lot of videos recently, and I've got a lot more coming up, and so stay tuned. Alright, well, I'll see you soon then. Bye bye.
I'm really rich.
Yeah, nice orange flame. Feel the burn, Trump.